Again, today we're going to show you how to replace front brake pads on a Maloo HSV R8. Okay, today we're going to replace front pads on this Maloo. The customer just wants pads changed in this. Normally would machine or replace the disc, but they just want pads replacing with the Bendix, the DB1937 HDs. Okay, quickest, easiest way to do it, if you haven't already seen my other videos, is to get in. No special tools required. Just gently get in there and push your pistons back. Okay, once you've done that, you might need 2 screwdrivers, pushing away from the disc, if you can, pushing the pads away from the disc so we don't mark the disc. Now once the pistons are pushed back, you've got these pins. They're easy to remove. Pin punch. Just tap them out. Simple as that. Remembering the arrow goes up, and that's it. Pads are out. With the new pads, I've noticed they have a clip-on one. It doesn't do anything. I don't know why it's there. Could be for another purpose, but we're going to stick that in the back to hide it, so the front, if you look through the wheel, you don't see an ugly clip. Now I always stick one in first, clean my pins up, okay. These pins, they have like a metal clip there. I don't know if you can see that. That just locks in to the caliper. Some of them do have pins that retain it. Simple as just putting that back in and hitting it with a punch again. But first, I'm going to put both pins in first. Okay, once you got them in, it's as simple as just hitting the pins back in till they lock in. Now I recommend you do one side at a time, checking the brake fluid when you push the pistons back so it doesn't overflow. Now same thing on the other side. Just reverse everything, make sure your pins are in all the way, and that's it. Thanks for watching.